To access CareerEDGE, go to www.uclan.ac.uk/CareerEDGE. You'll have to sign into CareerEDGE, and that's just simply by putting your normal UCLAN username and password into the sign-in area and then click Login. This is the main CareerEDGE interface, and some of the areas to note are this box on the left. It's called What We Offer. Now in here we can book one-to-one appointments. So here we can see the types of appointments available and we can book them. We can also book onto events and workshops. We can search for different events that are happening and book onto them. We can go to ask a question and CV check. And here we can go to ask a question to just send any question to a careers advisor, or send your CV in for a CV check, and the careers advisor will get back to you. You can also click here to look at job listings. These are jobs that are coming directly into the career service that are listed by local SMEs and national companies. And there's also some careers resources and other functionality in here as well. At the top, there's something called Popular Tools. Career e-learning is a very useful area where you can learn about all sorts of different important things inside sort of careers. It's very, very useful and very helpful to come here. CV Builder will help you to create a CV, and if you work through this here, it will help you to create a CV with lots of helpful tips from employers as you go along. Interview Simulator sort of simulates what it would be like to have an interview, looking at kind of the main kind of questions you would face when having an interview, because it's one of the most scariest parts of going for a job. So anything you can learn about it's a good thing. There's lots of other tools as well you can explore, but in the job research area, you can get to more jobs as well that are sourced offline, as well as our UCLAN Careers jobs. But there's also some industry reports that are very useful, help you to understand the industry that you might be going into. Assessments along the top. There's lots of different sort of tests and assessments to help you to understand sort of yourself and how you can make improvements. And also from the homepage as well, there's something called awards and programs. A lot of these are very particular courses to particular areas, and it will expand over time to be more useful to your particular course. But one that's quite helpful is called Finalist Mini Course, and if you go into here, there's a whole course that shows you how to look for jobs, how to apply for jobs, and how to do well at interview. They're the three main topics that are really helpful in sort of doing well when it comes to the recruitment process. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and please do log on to CareerEDGE and give it a try.